to my channel. Welcome back to Style with Sashi. I'm so super excited about today's video. I feel like I say this in every single video. Why am I so super excited? Because one, I love filming YouTube videos. I love my YouTube family, and every time I sit down to film a YouTube video, I don't know, for some reason I get very excited. Today we're actually talking about a topic which is super requested, highly requested, which is your workwear essentials. I cannot even begin to tell you how many DMs, messages, emails I get on an everyday basis. People just asking me, Sakshi, what are your workwear essentials? Especially right now, especially when we're in like a work from home sort of a setup, it's so important to wear like the right attire, get into the feel of a meeting. जब तक हम वो feel में नहीं आते pajamas में बैठ के तो मुझसे काम नहीं होता. I don't know if you can relate, but if you can, mention it in the comment section at we can know we're buddies. Okay, before we jump right into the video, all of the outfits I'm going to show you and all of these pieces are from a website called Urbanic. It is a super talked about website for some reason on the internet. I see so many ads running. There are some really cool trendy pieces. Plus, it's a brand from UK and very approachable. Even though it is like kind of in the mid-range, but it is still very good. The quality is amazing, which you will see right now. And I would highly recommend you guys checking it out. In case you want to shop anything that I show you, all the links will be mentioned in the description box below. Let's get started. The first essential, workwear essential, is the quintessential, which is your button-down white shirt. I cannot even begin to tell you how many button-down shirts I already have in my closet. I can wear it with literally everything just by accessorizing it or switching up the bottoms. You can really make a lot of use out of it, and it is like a good fitted white shirt. I feel like some people go for like very body-hugging white shirts, which sometimes does not end up working. For this one, I'm going for like a slightly longer white shirt. A lot of people want to cover up their butt and they don't want a very long shirt. This one is an ideal like sort of a length, and I feel like something like this is definitely my number one workwear essential. Second one being, which I love wearing any which ways, is a blazer. A good quality cotton sort of a lighter material blazer is definitely a workwear essential, especially right now. You don't want to be like wearing something which is too claustrophobic. You know, there are some materials which are too heavy, especially right now, work from home. You don't want to wear something which is too heavy. This particular one has a lot of checks in it. It is slightly, you know, like it's a very trendy blazer piece which you can definitely wear as a formal wear or casual wear. One more thing is, you can totally wear this blazer with maybe an LBD, a little black dress, or just wear it informally with a t-shirt also. I think even when you're working from home, you can totally wear like a t-shirt and a blazer look with it. I think it looks super cool. But this is my another workwear essential. The next workwear essential is a midi skirt. A leather midi skirt in this way. I feel like leather, actually this is leather, this is not real leather, but this leather, like it is very assertive. It has a very boss lady vibe, and every time I wear a leather skirt, I feel like I'm gonna conquer the world, and that's just the vibe that leather skirts genuinely give. And they're also very comfortable for such transition weathers. When you're going from summer to winter, it's slightly chilly in the air, especially it gets really chilly when you're sitting in air conditioning like I am right now, and I'm wearing a midi skirt as we speak. We've already covered one outerwear piece. The second outerwear piece is like a longer shrug or a longer jacket or even a longer shirt. Something like this looks so good. One, it looks very fashionable, very chic, and you know, when you're wearing something even slightly fashionable, people start taking you seriously. When you're a little more put together, definitely people like in the office will look at you differently. They'll be like, oh, that's the girl with a good fashion taste. I want to listen to her. I want to listen to her orders. I don't know if it's just like that with me, but every time I dress up well in a meeting, like people tend to hear me better. I don't know for what reason. This is genuinely a fact with me. Let me know if you can relate. Another wardrobe essential is a statement blouse. Again, talking about, you know, being very assertive, boss lady vibes. Again, workwear, like a business professional sort of an attire. Something like this actually works really well. It's slightly off the shoulder. It definitely shows a little bit of skin, but if you're not very comfortable with that, you can totally style this up with a scarf. A scarf on your neck, like maybe like tied up in a very fancy way. There's so many ways you can actually tie up a scarf. with a top like this would look so good. I'm not even kidding. And again, talking about being assertive, this is gonna give that sassy, fashionable vibe. And trust me, if you put in that little bit of effort, I'm not even asking you put a whole lot of effort, just a little bit of effort in your workwear attire, definitely you will see the change. You will see the change. People will look at you differently in a very good way, in always a positive manner. My next wardrobe essential is actually something which is very different. It is a jumpsuit. Really, I mean, a good jumpsuit, and actually an office wear, a workwear jumpsuit, something like this, which has like straps and a very high-waisted bottom, looks really good. You can pair that up with your blazer, you can pair it up with the shirt, you can pair it up with essentially so many things. If you have an office structure where you can wear casual clothes, you can totally wear this with like a t-shirt and maybe some boots, maybe some ankle boots, and it's going to look so good. My next wardrobe essential is a floral top. Especially, let me mention this, especially for work from home, something which is breathable, something which is very comfortable. I know that floral tops are actually a go-to for a lot of people, and this is including me. Even if you're, you know, a lot of people, let me actually mention this and let me just state this. Women who are working from home or working at home, they don't even have a job, they're just like an at-home mom or an at-home girl. You also have a job, you're also doing like a full-time job of taking care of the house, and you want to look a little bit presentable just for your own sake, just for your own you know, just to lighten up the mood. And something like this is actually really good. You can totally pair this up with a high-waisted trouser if you're going out. You can really play with a lot of colors, and something like this is actually a semi-formal, semi-casual sort of a vibe, and it looks really good. Well, that's it, you guys. Those were all of my workwear essentials. I hope you guys really enjoyed it and got a little bit of inspiration out of this video. Trust me, a little bit of effort goes a long way, not just in pleasing anybody else. You're never doing it for anybody else. You're doing it for yourself. If you dress better, if you look sharp and clean, trust me, you will be a lot more productive. And if you're a lot more productive, you get the coin. And if you get the coin, you're gonna live a happy, successful life. I mean, money is not the only aim of, you know, achieving happiness, but it sure helps, definitely. Like I mentioned, all of these outfits are from Urbanic. I specifically really like one thing about this brand is that it's very inclusive. So if you're looking for like a plus size outfits, definitely go check it out. And they have really trendy pieces, and their collection is huge. Like, you'll find everything and anything under the sun. Even if you're looking for something for date night, for casual wear, for work from home, for wardrobe essentials, whatever, you will get everything under one website. I'm going to link it down below, including all of the other links. Well, that's about it, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching this. Now that you're here, please jaldi se hit the like button. It only shows agar itni der tak aa gaye ho to you like the video. So hit the like button and hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification sign, and do all of that jazz. It really helps and it really motivates, and it's all free, and it really helps creators like us to, you know, constantly create content for you guys. Well, that's about it, you guys. See you guys very soon. Bye.